Namaskar and Salam. Today we are going to take a unique feature in Urdu. It is called Tashdeed. Tashdeed is used when a consonant geminates in a word, or you can say if a consonant is pronounced with reduplication. Hindi Urdu has a significant vocabulary in which a consonant is pronounced with reduplication. For example, the words kutta, billi, sacha. You can see that the word kutta has two thas, billi has two las, and the word sacha has two chas. In such cases in Urdu, Tashdeed is used to represent reduplicated consonants. Tashdeed is written as a W-type diacritic on top of the repeated consonants. The consonant is written once with Tashdeed on top. In Hindi, sometimes the second consonant is aspirated, for example, acha and pathar. Here too in Urdu, Tashdeed will be written on top of the duplicated letter. In acha, Tashdeed will be written on top of che, and in pathar, it will be written on top of te. Let's take these words in Urdu. The first word is kutta, dog. Here Tashdeed will be on te. The first letter is kaf, so it will take the initial form, and the second letter is te, which will take the medial form. Since te is reduplicated, it will have Tashdeed on top, and the final letter is alif to add the a matra. So kutta, kutta. The second word is billi. Here the la sound is reduplicated, so the Tashdeed will be on lam. The first letter is be, so it takes the initial form and it connects to lam, which will take the medial form. Since the la sound is reduplicated, Tashdeed will be added on top of lam. And the last letter is choti ye, which represents long e matra in Hindi. So bi-li, billi. Let's now take some words in which the second reduplicated sound is aspirated. The word is acha, that means good. In Urdu, there is a reduplication of the letter che, so Tashdeed will be added on top of che. The first letter is alif, so you write it, and then you have che. Che will be written as initial because the letter before it is non-connector alif. Since che is reduplicated, Tashdeed will be added on top of it. The next letter is do chashmi he, which aspirates the ch sound and makes it ch. The final letter is alif, which adds a matra to ch. So a-cha, acha. The next word is pathar, meaning stone. Here too, the reduplicated sound is aspirated. The aspirated sound here is th. The first letter is pe, so it takes the initial form. The second letter is te, and it takes the medial form. Te is also reduplicated, so there will be Tashdeed on top of it. The next letter is do chashmi he, which aspirates the th sound and makes it th. The final letter is re, which takes the final form. So pa, tha, ra, pathar. And the final word is sacha, meaning true. Here the ch sound is reduplicated, so che will have Tashdeed on top. The first letter is seen, so it takes the initial form, and then you have che in the medial form. Since che is reduplicated, there will be Tashdeed on top of it. And the final letter is alif that adds a matra to ch. So sacha, sacha. Let's now take all the words together. But before we do that, there is an important piece of information on Tashdeed. Tashdeed is rarely written. Just like zabar, zer and pesh, it is often omitted. So you can find all these words written without Tashdeed. Here in this column, they are with Tashdeed, and in this one without Tashdeed. Kutta, billi, acha, pathar, and sacha. In our next video, which is going to be the last in the series, we'll take the concept called tanween in Urdu. So see you there. Namaskar and Salam.